Hi guys, today we're going to do a review on the Laegendary Thunder car. It has two vehicles, but two RCs, but it has the blue and green. And the cool awesome part is that we get both of them. The green one and the blue one. This is the size of the RC. It's really big, good tires, good suspension, everything looks professional. Here's some parts for the vehicle. And this is the controller with dual speeds and on and off. It looks awesome, carbon fiber made. It looks pretty cool. Comes with instructions. And also it comes with many other parts here for extra. The charger, the USB, some zip ties. And it looks awesome. Let's try it. Let's see how it does in the park. We're right here testing out the Thunder Laegendary as the control. This is where I'm gonna turn it on. The wheels turn on. Let's see what it does, how far. So there you have it. It runs pretty fast. I have it in the 2S. Can't wait to put 3S. And I barely used it today. Brand new, right out of the box. Let's see the backside traction. Really pleased with this car. All right guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.